Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the number of results per page on the google.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should tap on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on the search settings button at the top, go to this left side column and tap on the first option, and then go to this results per page section, and here you can find a slide ranging from 10 to 100, and you should drag this icon and place it to the relevant number. As you can see, it is set to 30 now, meaning that the page will display 30 results per page when you are searching for someone on Google. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.